We've got a question today involving a dog bite for today's edition of The Law and You. Back with us are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, good to see you.
Great to be here.
Ed is drinking up. He's ready to get
Need some coffee
answering
today.
for the question. And let's get to the question from Joe in McAdoo. My dog bit one of my neighbor's kids. He had never bitten anybody before. She has a scar on her arm. Can they sue me? So can Joe in McAdoo here get any kind of recovery for the injury to the child?
Joe, you can. In Pennsylvania, there's no one free bite rule. We've handled a lot of dog bite cases, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to prove that the dog owner was not keeping the dog as they should. Either the dog wasn't on leash, or the dog did have some vicious propensities. But if the dog bit your daughter or son, and you certainly can have a cause of action against the homeowner.
Yeah, we've handled a ton of these cases, and what we see is the most important thing to do is that you document your injuries. And what that means is insurance companies are going to be looking at the scar, the placement of the scar, the size of the scar. So you want to get pictures of it immediately, and then every month, basically, because it basically takes about 6 months for a scar to heal. So they look for that progression. You got to make sure you document it. Probably get to a good plastic surgeon. He can write a report, discuss the type of scarring, and then that's something you'll be able to present to the company, and you'll know what the extent of your injuries and how bad it's going to be.
And when Greg says the company, he's talking about the insurance company for the homeowner who owned the dog. Their homeowner's insurance policy is going to cover a situation like this for the negligence of the dog owner.
All right, so good advice here, and if you are in need of legal advice when it comes to perhaps animal attacks or dog bites, how can our viewers contact you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you like us on Facebook, you can post a question. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Great to be here.
All right, on The Law and You, for your question to be featured, just head to PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.